Hi guys, so today's video is on a special request made by one of our subscribers, Riddhi. If you're watching, this one is for you.
So today we're making extremely delicious 3-ingredient chocolate walnut fudge. So if you're a chocolate lover, watch on till the end and let's get quick creating.
So for our chocolate fudge, the first step is to chop your dark chocolate. We are taking Amul's dark chocolate here, which is 200 grams. That means we are taking 2 whole bars of dark chocolate. Shred it using a sharp knife, and then we are going to use a boiler setup to melt off our dark chocolate. You can also do this process in the microwave, but the chocolate might get burnt, so you'll have to keep a close eye on it. In a boiler setup, this process makes it much more easier and much less tacky. All we have to do is take a saucepan, add some water, and then keep your bowl into it, wherein you're going to add your shredded dark chocolate. Now, take a spatula and stir this dark chocolate like so. You will notice that your chocolate will start melting. Let your dark chocolate completely melt until this sort of consistency is formed. Just look at it. Doesn't it look delicious? Now, to this melted dark chocolate, we are going to add one entire can of Milkmaid or condensed milk. Then we are going to add salted butter so that all the flavors get enhanced. If you're using normal butter, then make sure that you add a pinch of salt into it. Now we're going to take a spatula and we're going to mix all these ingredients together so that you get a thick consistency, just like a thick chocolate fudge. Just look at these beautiful colors. It makes me want to dive into the chocolate and eat it all up the way it is. Now it's time to add a dash of vanilla essence and mix it all up. The chocolate is so very tempting, and trust us guys, we have tasted it like 1,000 times before the fudge was even formed. It was irresistible. Now we are going to throw in some chopped walnuts. You are free to use some chopped almonds as well, but we liked it with the walnuts, so we are going to use some chopped walnuts into it. The fudge tastes brilliant even as it is, but with the walnuts it's going to taste another level. Now we are going to grease a square dish well with the butter, and then we are going to put our parchment paper. Now pour in your chocolate mixture into it and spread it evenly using a spatula like so. Once that's done, we're going to refrigerate it for about 2 hours until the fudge is formed. Once that's done, we're going to take it out of the square tin, and it's going to come off really easily because we greased it with butter. Now it's time to cut your fudge into generous pieces. We have cut it into 9 square pieces. Take a sharp knife to do this process. To make it look pretty, we are going to dust it with some cocoa powder. You can also dust it with some hot chocolate powder, and voila! Now it's time to serve your chocolate fudge. It is super easy, super decadent, and you can also gift it to your friends or family. We have also made use of some chunks of this chocolate fudge in our perfect easy Choco Lava mug recipe. So you also have that option.
So guys, hope you enjoyed this chocolatey dessert. Our next quick creation might be your suggestion. All you have to do is comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, follow us on our Facebook and Instagram accounts. The links are in the description box below.
If you like this video, then do give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified whenever we come up with a new quick creation. And that's it for today guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.